Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will take a quick look at our API functionality to set a booking status as no-show. To begin, let's head over to our account integration page, and from the APIs and webhooks, grab our API key. Next up is the Developer Center, that is developers.oncehub, our API reference page. Here, the functionality to set a booking as no-show is listed under the booking functionalities. Now, for a more comprehensive view, I will access the API client. Now here, first thing that we need to do is validate our API key. Once that is in place, let's head over to the booking functionalities and select set a booking as no-show. Now here, the first thing that we need is the API key. Once the API key is in place, let's head over to list all bookings to get the booking ID. With the API key in place, send, and here we are presented with a list of all the bookings on the account. So for the demo, I'll go ahead and pick this particular booking ID here. With the booking ID in hand, let's head over to set a booking as no-show function. Enter the booking ID in the relevant field and send. So that does it. The booking that was subject as to, the status has been changed to no-show. Now we can validate that by going to the account as well. So we'll head over to the OnceHub account, activities, enter the booking ID, and the booking that was test 2 has been set as no-show. So this is how you can go ahead and maintain a proper track of all the completed bookings, whether it was a show, like a completed booking, whether a no-show, and you can make or keep a proper record of all your bookings via our API as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.